So we are on the way to the Budapest with Renata.
Hello.
And there will be our model in a second, but she went for a toilet on a toilet. She went on a toilet, something like that. And we will show you everything. I'm sorry. We've been shopping because I didn't have basically any wet clothes at home, so I had to go. And now it's already 4:30, so that means that we have to really rush because we don't have a lot of time and the road will take around 5 hours. So fingers crossed for us. We are in the taxi on the way to the Congress with my beautiful model, and then in front of us there is Renata, and we are a little bit late. Oh. Hi. And we are a little bit late, so we'll see how it goes. I hope we can make it on time. I will show everything. This is my beautiful model for Rosa conference, and we are going to start very soon.
And I will be your speaker today.
You need to clean out the surface of the skin. And usually permanent makeup artists use wet cotton bed and they need to clean that area. The wet permanent makeup procedure, it's a little trauma to the skin. The pigments cannot implement into the skin as fast as it needs to put into the skin. And everything else. But also you need to buy
Kolejnego topa zaraz, pogotowo na kapku.
Dear guests, it's my pleasure to introduce Teresa Rizzono, an incredibly talented young master who takes the concept of quality permanent makeup education to the highest level.
Hi everyone.
Sziasztok!
I hope it's my presentation, but I cannot see it very well. Just a second. It's not. Speak slowly, but it's a really big problem for me, so I hope you will make it. During the procedure, after I am done with my outline,
Miután megrajzoltam a formáját, azután végzedek belőle.
I really do the shape in an easy way. Sometimes I use a ruler and sometimes I use only a mapping string. And then I look for the tone and I only connect it together. And I already have to come back second time because sometimes on the other side I have a little bit similar pressure even though I change the sides. Now I am using secondary anesthetic with epinephrine to shrink the blood vessels so we can see our pigments a little bit better.
Ukaż się na mnie, podívej se na mě.
Köszönjük szépen!
So here is my beautiful model and her beautiful brows. I'm so happy about it, and now I'm on my way from the Rosa conference to Paris. Look how beautiful is the venue here. It's so beautiful. I loved it here so much. Girls are going to continue. They will have a party tonight and I have to go. Bye Rosa conference. It was nice to be here. Crazy. This venue looks really beautiful. I made it to Paris.
Of the brow, and I do the same on the other side.
Donc je commence toujours par le milieu, ensuite je cherche l'arche, je fais la fin et il faut toujours que les sourcils soient symétriques. Donc je finis par la fin.
Here you can see a quick and easy tip how you can put the same points on the other side.
It's not your brows and your pattern that you drew on and the client's brow here.
Avec une peau moins sensible, j'ai plus de possibilités. Je peux
My work is not looking like that, and when I do that, it's not staying.
What personality or what works you do after they can make appointment?
J'utilise souvent donc, les mousses parce que elle trouve que sur la peau c'est beaucoup plus agréable et elle utilise souvent les mousses de couleur pour que quand la cliente se regarde dans le miroir, ce sera un peu plus marrant.
Альона, і для покращення ми працюємо з епідермісом.
Thank you. So we are going to have a lunch at 5 p.m. But finally, was looking forward to this French baguette. It's good. That's all I need. This looks unbelievable. Onion soup with a French baguette and with a French girl. Can you see my feet? Something happened to my feet, and see here, it's inflamed, and here is nothing, and I cannot even walk properly. I don't know what happened. I am done after this weekend. I am laying in the bed, and my skin is not really nice, but I'm happy I look like this after these 2 days, because it was really amazing, but on the other side I feel really exhausted, and I think I will go and have a drink with one girl from Paris, and because I want to see Tour Eiffel, so yeah. And tomorrow my flight is at 9:45 in the morning, and I'm going to Zurich. So I really cannot wait to be in Switzerland again and to have this peace in mind and to have this beautiful area around. Because after my hard month, when I go to Switzerland, I'm always so happy, and I always feel, I feel such a relief that I can breathe without so much anxiety, I would say. It may look like there is no reason to have anxiety, but trust me, I still have it, and I have it so much. I have it a lot, and more I'm getting older, more I feel like basically I look for the peace, and I don't look for this drama and everything, which permanent makeup and drama, they are friends. So, now I'm so happy I can lay in the bed, but my feet hurts and I miss my partner. And I wish I could go home today, but I didn't manage it right. And yeah, so I'm staying one night here. I will show you La Tour Eiffel very soon. Look what's here. I told you I will go here and I will show it to you, and it's incredible. I wish everyone could see it in a real life, because it's simply so beautiful and it's so huge. Thank you.
Vous pouvez juste m'expliquer comment ça fonctionne?
Ça marche bien.
Ascenseur.
Yes. Look, there is what's the name of it on the Champs-Élysées? Yeah.
What we have? Champs-Élysées.
Over there. Yeah, I can see the flag. And there is a La Défense, right? Over here, no? Where is La Défense? So cool. Okay. Yeah, that was the place I was asking about. And there is a La Défense over there, no? Is that a La Défense or?
Non, non, pas l'Arc de Triomphe ici.
So beautiful. You are a Parisian, you have to tell us.
The Champs-Élysées,
Oh, it's my favorite.
Concorde,
Uh-huh.
Trocadéro,
Uh-huh.
les Jardins des Tuileries,
Uh-huh.
la Seine, madame.
Yes.
I need to touch you. The tower. Towers and towers. Just
Yeah.
walking.
But it's so beautiful, but it's really windy. But look at the Paris. This is a dreamy moment. And look at that. So cool. So cool. Love it. Oh my god. I cannot be an influencer. I cannot do these things. I just came to the hotel. I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow in the morning I have to wake up very early because I have my flight at 9 something to Zurich. Finally. Look what I received. So cute. Thank you, Julie. I cannot wait to meet you again and to work on our plans. So nice from you. And here you can see my Voltaren. I have to do my feet again. I have to put it on my feet because my feet hurts again after the Tour Eiffel.
Cabin crew, orange lights.
Wenn Weiterbildung umsteigen sollten, finden Sie jetzt detaillierte und konstant aktualisierte.
So, as you can see, I am already in Zurich, my beautiful safe place. And what a weekend! I am so grateful. I am so excited. I am so fulfilled. It was so beautiful to meet each and every one of you who attended the conferences. To be in 2 countries in less than 24 hours, it's really hard. But at the same time, it brought me a lot of joy. And I would do it again. I loved you, Paris. I loved you, Budapest. And I hope I can come again soon. And I hope also I can release finally in the next few weeks the project we are working on, because all of you will be really happy and really excited, and it will be a very exclusive thing. So thank you so much. I am so grateful for you, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.
Hi. Say bye. Say bye.